As you can see, there is a plastic in here, and you remove this, and inside this is a hexagonal screw that is held in place by some plastic retainers, so there's no way that it can fall inside. You have to unscrew that, and once you unscrew that, you have this little piece that could pry out from the top here. On the passenger side, this little piece is just empty, but on the driver's side it has a key assembly that goes from inside, so you just have to carefully pry this out. And once this comes out, this handle slots out, and then there is a cable on this end here that you have to be careful it doesn't fall back inside. So you just hold the cable, unplug the old handle, and reverse the whole steps in, and put back the old one here, and then lock the screw and put this back inside.